back to the show. Since weight is such a weighty issue with many people in Dubai, we've got a very special celebrity lifestyle guru on our show tonight. Please welcome Bollywood's favorite, Rujuta Divekar.
I guess one of the things that I have noticed in a very short time in Dubai is that I find people drinking very, very little water than what they should be drinking. So a lot of it is dehydration. When your system is dehydrated, the number one thing that suffers is your fat metabolism. The second thing is that processed food is very high out here, so it's very easy. Even if you're just buying cheese, you can probably buy 15 types of cheese. Okay, within those 15, you'll have maybe 3 more segments, one with flat and the other one could be organic. The third one could be, some other variety with pepper and oregano or whatever. So people are spoiled for choices. So A, they are dehydrated. B, they're confused, whether they should be going by what's on the label or whether they should be going by what they have already been eating and what they really like. This morning I was on a radio show and I was just talking to the RJ and telling her the exact same thing, that we need to eat food that suits our system and not what is being endorsed by a star or a glamorous person, because that may not work for us. So I guess what really needs to happen is education in terms of food, and education in a holistic manner, in a mind, body, energy manner, which is also, I guess, what Third Eye works at. Because till you don't look at food in a way which also affects your mind and spirit, it becomes really mundane and it gets reduced to a number, like this is these many calories and it has this kind of fat, and you really lose out on the whole picture. So I guess in Dubai, it's basically confusion, being spoiled for choices and being dehydrated here.
Hope that helped. Rujuta has transformed many Bollywood personalities with her expert advice. And now for some more Bollywood. अगर आप भी मेरी तरह Bollywood और cricket के fan हैं, तो देखते रहिए, क्योंकि हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं इन दोनों fraternities का अनोखा मिलाप. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Cricket, and especially 2020, has surely taken the cricketing world by storm and has become a permanent part of both the domestic and international cricket calendars. The Salman Khan Celebrity Cricket Cup India versus Pakistan match, hosted by none other than the Bollywood superstar himself, boasts more than 41 celebrities and has attracted over 20,000 fans. This mega event was held to raise money for Salman Khan's charity initiative, which is called Being Human. Let's find out more about it from Bollywood director and actor Sohail Khan and Pakistan's leading actor Javed Sheikh.
Nothing, it's basically friends coming together, having fun, and spreading the message of humanity, of being human. This event is just to create awareness that there is a social organization called a charitable organization called Being Human, and we're just kind of spreading the awareness.
This cause is very noble, being human, and we want to be part of such events and such programs, It's a charity match and a gala dinner. So we are happy to be part of Salman Khan's Being Human.
It's a great thing, and Salman is one guy who genuinely does a lot of charities, so anything for him here. I mean, it's going to go in for the needy and the poor all over the world. I mean, it's happening in Dubai, in India, in Sri Lanka, all over Bangladesh, so yeah.
Rewarding it was to see so many celebrities and fans working together towards a very noble cause. All respect to you, Salu Bhai. The people of Dubai are always with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Salman Khan and the Being Human Foundation.
Thank you very much for your support and for being here. And thank you guys from our film industry, from the Pakistan film industry, cricketers. Thank you, brothers. Thank you, brothers. Thank you very much.
Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Dubai is filled with amazing stories of success, hard work, and good causes. Great leaders, visionaries, entrepreneurs, and the common people of Dubai have all worked hard to make a name for themselves and make Dubai a city to be reckoned with. And that's what this show is all about, to wrap up the essence of Dubai and bring it to you week after week. आज के लिए इतना ही. आपके सजेशंस और कमेंट्स के लिए शुक्रिया. फेसबुक और ट्विटर में हमें फॉलो करते रहिए. आप सबका प्यार ही हमें आगे बढ़ने का हौसला देता है. दोबारा मिलेंगे अगले हफ्ते इसी समय इसी दिन. Till then, this is Uma signing off. Tonight's episode was shot at the upmarket Warda Haute Couture at Al Wasl Road. The founder, Rahil Hassan, who comes from the well-known established Al Audi family, caters to the very chic, modern and stylish woman. Walk into this cozy store and you will find scores of gorgeous silks, chiffons, Swarovski embellishments and flowing garments. All 3 outfits worn by me tonight are courtesy Warda Haute Couture.
Hi, I'm Katrina Kaif,
This is Prakash Jha.
This is Ranbir Kapoor.
and keep watching the most glamorous show on earth,
Keep watching the most stylish show on earth,
High Life, Dubai.
High Life Dubai.
High Life Dubai.